Now we have bought the bad USB and we will start to program it using Arduino software that I've talked about in the previous lecture. But before we get started into that, first we need to download and install Arduino program on our computer, and then we will set up the bad USB. Okay, so the first thing we are going to be doing is go and open your browser and go to google.com and just type download Arduino and enter. And I'm going to put all the links in the description and click on the first link and scroll a little bit and you will see download the Arduino IDE. So here I'm going to click on Windows Installer and then it's going to ask you to donate to them. So I'm going to say just download. In my case, I have already downloaded. So I'm not going to wait all of this. I'm going to say cancel. And then I'm going to go to my desktop and here is the downloader file or the installer file. So I'm going to double click on it and I'm going to say yes, and now it's going to show me this window because I have already installed Arduino. So I'm not going to reinstall it again because it's very simple and easy. Just click on it, next, and it will be installed. So I'm going to say cancel. Let's move this to here, and here is the icon of Arduino. So now I'm going to click on it. And now it's going to start to initialize the packages, and you will see that the interface of Arduino is very simple and easy. So let's wait a little bit. And as you can see, here's the interface of Arduino, and it's very simple and easy. We're not going through all of these options because it's very simple. But the most important thing is we need to configure the Arduino Leonardo that we have bought it from the internet with the Arduino interface or with the Arduino program. So first of all, I'm going to plug my Arduino Leonardo to my PC, and here I have plugged my Arduino Leonardo with my PC. And the second thing you are going to be doing is just go to tools, and from here you are going to select Arduino Leonardo. So there is different types of Arduino boards. So you're going to select here Arduino Leonardo, okay, and then you're going to tools again and you will select the port. So by default it's going to be COM1. You're going to select here your Arduino Leonardo. So I'm going to click here and now everything is ready to go. I'm going to say get board info, and here is my board information. So we learned from this lecture how you can download and install Arduino software on your operating system and how you can install. It's very simple and easy. Just download it and double click on it and it will be installed automatically. And here is Arduino program. We learned also how we can configure our Arduino Leonardo to work with it. So now we are just waiting to put the sketch or upload the sketch or the converted commands, and we'll paste it here and everything will be easy. So in this lecture I'm gonna show you all of this. I'm gonna to show you how the script works, how we can use the right commands, and how we can run the notepad and type hello world.